Now in this video, children, we will be taking the laws of exponents. Let us take the laws of exponents one by one and then discuss the problems which can be solved using these laws. So the first law is when we multiply the numbers with the same base but different exponent, what happens? The base is written and the powers are added. Okay. Similarly, if we divide the numbers with the same base but different powers, the base is written once and the powers are subtracted. Okay. The third law is if the number is written like this, power to the power, what does this mean? The powers are multiplied. The powers are multiplied to each other. The fourth law is if there are two numbers with different base but same power, so we can write it like this and write the power once. We can multiply the base and write the power once. Okay. Similarly, if we have two numbers which are being divided and the power is same, we can divide the numbers and write the power once. Okay. Now, anything raised to the power 0, anything raised to the power 0 is always 1. Anything raised to the power 0 is always 1. We also have one more law. If the number is raised to the power a negative number, we can change it to positive by changing its place. If it is in the numerator, bring it in the denominator. If it is in the denominator, we take it to the numerator to make the power positive. Okay. So these are certain laws and then we will be doing the examples. Now certain related examples let us take. So suppose we have 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15 into 2 to the power 3. It's a combination of two laws, children. See here the bases are same and they are being divided. So what will happen? The powers will be subtracted. Okay. And then copy the rest number. So 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3. Now the bases are same and they are being multiplied. So the powers will be added. So you have 2 to the power 8. Okay. This is how we will do. The next example, let us take, suppose 3 to the power 0 plus, this was one example, this is another, 3 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 0. Now anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 into 1. Now 1 plus 1 makes 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So the final answer is 2. Okay. The next we have a raised to the power 5 upon a raised to the power 3 into a raised to the power 8. So you can see they are the same base but they are being divided. So the powers will be subtracted. 5 minus 3 into a raised to the power 8. 5 minus 3 is 2 into a raised to the power 8. Now they will be added. So this finally gives you a raised to the power 10. So this is how we are going to solve. Now some more examples. Let us take. Suppose you have 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. In such examples, children, what we are going to do is we will convert all the numbers to their prime bases, right? Suppose 2 is prime, 3 is prime, but 4 isn't prime. So we will convert 4 to such a number, we will prime factorize it. So it can be written as 2 to the power 2. 3 is prime, but 32 isn't prime. Now see, how can 32 be written? 2, 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. You can check it again. 2, 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So this is 2 to the power 3 plus 4, 7, and 7 into 9 upon, sorry, this is 3, this is not 2, so we cannot add it. Now 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2, so it makes 2 to the power 5, and this is 3 to the power 4 upon 3 into 2 to the power 5. Okay. Now 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 will cancel. This is 3 to the power 4 upon 3, and with the same base they are being divided. So this is 4 minus 1, 3 to the power 3, and 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 is the answer. Some more examples. Let us take. So see this one. 3 into 7 square into 11 power 8 upon 21 into 11 power 3. Now I will prime factorize those numbers which are not prime. So 3 also, 7 also, 11 also cannot be prime factorized. 21 can be written as 3 into 7, and 11 again as it is. Okay. Now 3 will cancel out. 7 square, 7 power, when nothing is there, means 1. They are being divided with the same base, so powers will be subtracted. Here also being divided with the same base, so powers will be subtracted. So this becomes 7 power 1 into 11 power 8 minus 3 is 5. This will be the answer. Okay. One more example. Let us take. This will be 4 raised to the power 5 into a power 8 b cube upon 4 raised to the power 5 into a power 5 b square. Right. Now this is 4 power 5. 4 power 5 will cancel. Okay. Now this is a. So a to the power 8 minus 5, because they are being divided. B to the power 3 minus 2, again they are being divided. Now 8 minus 5 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So this will be the answer. A cube b power 1 is the answer. Thank you, children.